Do you want to live longer and boost your health? If your answer is yes, then you're going to want to pay close attention. There's a widespread misunderstanding about what healthy food truly is. Many of us are under the impression that if it's labeled natural, organic, or low-fat, it's good for us. But the reality? Not always. In fact, there's a common food item that many of us consume on a daily basis, believing it to be a healthful choice. The truth, however, is quite contrary. This seemingly healthy food is actually a wolf in sheep's clothing, doing more harm to our bodies than good. The shocking part? It's likely sitting in your kitchen right now. This revelation may be hard to swallow, but sometimes the truth is a bitter pill. The good news? Knowledge is power. Stay tuned to find out what this common yet harmful food is. Prepare for a surprise as we unveil the common food that's harming your health. Brace yourself, as the culprit is none other than processed meats. That's right, the hot dogs, the sausages, the bacon strips, and the deli meats that are a part of so many meals across the globe. Processed meats have a ubiquitous presence in our diets. From quick breakfast solutions to lunchbox staples, from the sizzling barbecues to the festive dinner tables, they are everywhere. In the United States alone, an average person consumes about 50 pounds of processed meats each year. That's approximately the weight of a small bale of hay. Imagine the sheer volume of these foods we consume, often without a second thought. We've grown so accustomed to their convenience and taste that we overlook the potential harm they might be causing. Now you might be wondering, how can this food be harmful? Let's dive into the reasons. It's time to uncover the hidden dangers of this food. This common food, that we so often consume without a second thought, hides a myriad of hazards that can seriously affect our health. It's processed in ways that strip it of its natural nutrients, and then it's filled with harmful additives that can cause a host of health problems. First off, let's talk about how it's processed. The processing starts with the removal of the most nutritious parts of the food, leaving behind a product that's low in fiber and other essential nutrients. Without these nutrients, the food becomes a source of empty calories that can lead to weight gain and other health issues. But it doesn't stop there. Once the nutrients are stripped away, harmful additives are introduced to extend the shelf life and enhance the flavor. These additives often include high levels of sodium and artificial sweeteners. Sodium can increase your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Artificial sweeteners, on the other hand, have been linked to a slew of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Then there's the sugar. It's no secret that this food is often high in sugar, but did you know that some of these foods contain as much sugar as a can of soda? Excessive sugar consumption can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Credible sources, including the World Health Organization and the American Heart Association, have repeatedly warned us about the dangers of consuming too much of this food. They recommend limiting intake and opting for whole, unprocessed foods instead. The health risks associated with regular consumption are alarming. From heart disease to obesity and diabetes, the potential consequences are too serious to ignore. After hearing about these risks, you might be rethinking your food choices. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed and make choices that support your health and well-being. Don't worry, there are healthier alternatives to this food. The key to a healthier you is not in deprivation but in substitution. Let's talk about some of these alternatives that can provide similar taste and nutritional benefits without the harmful effects. First, instead of processed foods, opt for whole foods. Whole foods are plant foods that are unprocessed and unrefined, or processed and refined as little as possible before being consumed. They are free from additives or other artificial substances. Next, consider substituting refined grains with whole grains. They are packed with nutrients including protein, fiber, B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, or whole grain bread and pasta can offer a similar taste and texture to the refined counterparts. Then, we have sugar. Instead of using white sugar, why not try natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup? They can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing some essential nutrients. And remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something natural, can lead to health issues. When it comes to meat, consider lean meats or plant-based proteins. They provide the protein you need without the additional fat and cholesterol. Foods like lean chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, nuts, and seeds are great sources of protein. And let's not forget about fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can be used in place of unhealthy fats like trans fats and saturated fats. Lastly, instead of reaching for a soda, why not hydrate with water, herbal tea, or natural fruit juices? Not only will you be cutting down on sugar, but you'll also be adding a host of beneficial nutrients to your diet. Switching to these alternatives is not about sacrificing taste for health. It's about finding a balance where you can enjoy what you eat and drink, and at the same time nourish your body. Remember, every little change can make a big difference. Switching to these alternatives can help you live longer and boost your health. So, what's the final takeaway from all this? The journey through the world of food and health has led us to some startling discoveries. The common food we've been discussing isn't just a harmless part of our daily diet, but a hidden culprit behind numerous health issues. It's high time we recognized its adverse effects, from chronic inflammation to deteriorating heart health. Our discussion isn't meant to scare you, but to arm you with knowledge. Knowledge that enables you to make informed food choices, to take control of your health and well-being. It's about understanding that what we put on our plate today has implications for our future health. Let's not forget the healthier alternatives we've explored. They're not just replacements, but opportunities to discover new tastes and textures, to enjoy food that nourishes both body and soul. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the right food choices, live longer, and boost your health.